magic rhyme word.
Come along, it's time to play. In Shapeville town we sing all day. Shapes are dancing, big and small. Let's meet our shape friends, one and all. I'm a circle, round and neat. No sharp corners, no straight feet. Roll me fast or bounce with glee. Come on kids, sing with me. I'm a square, strong and proud. With four same sides I stand out loud. I build toy blocks and homes you see. Come on now, sing with me. I'm a triangle, pointy and bright. Three sides sharp, a mountain in sight. I'm a slice of pizza or a Christmas tree. Clap your hands and sing with me. I'm a rectangle, long and wide. Two sides short and two are high. I'm a door or a book, come see. Open your voice and sing with me. I'm an oval,